Oh my God. We're gonna hang.
Play the damn tape, Mitch.
While I am certain that there is a desire to point fingers at me for the blood that has been shed, unless you turn that finger inward, I assure you, more blood will be lost, and all will be judged. We will begin with one who is not only a liar, but a thief, a purse snatcher. And when you had a chance to fix the harm that you've done, you chose to do nothing. Now it is you who could die without the right medication. While unconscious, this deceiver among you, this criminal, was injected with a poison. One of the syringes in front of you holds the antidote. One is a saline solution. The other, an acid that will cause an excruciating death. Inject the correct one, and your chains will be released. Failure to make the right choice could result in death for you all. I ask you, what is a life worth to you?
Why don't you fess up or we all die?
Okay. Check yourself for marks. Huh? If you injected us, there could be marks.
Bingo.
What are you doing?
It's okay, it's okay. You just gotta pick a needle, Blondie.
Look, we get out of these things when you pick an antidote. Or else we all die, Carly.
No, what if it's the acid? I won't.
Bullshit, you won't.
Maybe just confess. Carly, okay, did you steal purses? Yeah, years ago, but I didn't kill anyone.
No, that's not the repentant attitude this guy's looking for, okay? You're lying! You're lying!
I was broke, okay? And yes, somebody died, but it wasn't my fault.
Choose, or I'm gonna stick them all into you!
Stop!
Just let it look. Do any of these numbers mean anything to you? Choose now!
You're crying! $3.53.
What does that mean?
What a life is worth to me.